What's going on, guys? Today, me and John are going to be building two F-250 Ford Power Strokes. Then I'm going to also be building a Ram for a plow truck. Alright, so we're already at the dealership here to pick up the trucks, but we're going to load the two F-250's onto this trailer here. John, pull that thing as far forward on that trailer as you can, because I don't know how much room we're gonna have. First, I'll back this one on there real quick, and then maybe pull that one straight on. Or as far back as I can get it. I'm struggling to get it onto the trailer. Is it stuck? No. Fix the ramps again. I'm going to strap that truck down real quick. Yes, we got some work to do on these trucks, because you can see here, this mirror, it's got to be welded back on there a little bit. The bumper's got to be welded back on. We got a lot of work to cut out of these trucks. Alright, John, I guess we're gonna drive it home with the ramps down, but we're just gonna have the hazards on the whole time, so get on in that truck and just follow behind me. We're gonna take the dirt road here. Yeah, I got the snow plow delivered to our barn, so I already got that here for the snow plow truck. Let's just pull the truck right over here. So, go ahead and unstrap them. Open the garage. Open the garage door. So, I don't know where John's at with the ring, so I guess we're just gonna go ahead and get started on this truck and get the tire and suspensions put on it. See if I can get this thing on the lift. There, maybe. Still ones off?
Yep.
Alright, so we got the suspension and the tires on my truck now. So now we'll have John pull his truck in here when he pulls his done. I like these tires with suspension for make the truck look really big. You look at this compared to the standard truck. Hey John, I'll help you with your truck in a second. I'm going to weld my mirror back on. So we'll go ahead and grab the welder right there. Turn on the welder, weld that spot, weld that mirror. Alright, we got that done. We'll help John change his tires. Definitely have to put a new exhaust on this thing. I don't like that coming out of the side there. Oh, John, you gotta dig forward. John. There we go. These tires off here. Alright, all the tires are off, John. Alright, so now we got the tires and suspension that John wants. He got a dually again. So let's slow that down. We'll pull our trucks into the other garage over here. And then we'll do the rest of the work over here. Next thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put different side steps on this thing and change the exhaust. So we'll get some tools over here. Alright, so I just took the running boards off this truck and I put the big side exhaust on here instead of on the side there. It's on the back. Now I'll probably do like the grill and the front bumper. So I'll be back when I get those. So I just put the front valance on the bumper. Got them put on a cow hood and just put this little rain guard on the front there and just put some lights on the grill. But next I'll probably just do a couple touch-ups to it and then I'll show you guys the finished result. Alright, so we're gonna take the tires off of this truck now. So and the rims on this truck are looking beat up. Good thing we're changing them. Alright, so we got that off. Got the tires off. Now let's do our customization. Alright, so I ended up keeping the rims and the suspension the same. I just put bigger tires on it. So we'll go ahead and set this truck down now. We'll put it in the other barn and finish it. We do got to put the snowplow mount on too, John. But for now, I think I'm probably gonna keep it with no side steps on it, just because it's gonna be the plow truck and it's so low. So I already know what I'm gonna do to it. I know we gotta put the snowplow mount on it, and then I'll change the paint on it, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do when I'm done. So Alright, so I got everything done to the truck. I got all the paint and everything changed. I got the rims and like the two-tone all color matched and everything with the grill and bumper. So yeah, everything's color matched on there. It's gray, but now we got the snowplow mount on the truck, so we're gonna go ahead and hook it up. See how we do it. It looks like it's on there good to you, John.
Yep.
Alright, so I'd say that was a pretty successful. I think today was a pretty successful day. Now we hope for snow. But that will probably be the end of today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.